Hi friends and welcome to Learn Everything Online Hobby channel. Today we are going to learn how to make pop-up card of flowers. Just remember this particular video will be a longer one, but try to understand each and every step very carefully. Do it peacefully and you will really amazed by your creation. So let's begin. So for making our pop-up card we will be using these craft papers. One craft paper of dark shade and two craft papers of light shade. These are standard craft paper available in the market of size 21 cm by 30 cm, which I am using. I will need glue. I will need sketch pen. I am using red sketch pen for the contrasting color to this color. Then scissor and one marking pen. That's the only material which we will require to make the pop-up card. So let's begin. First, we have to fold this paper, dark paper, which is a little bit thicker paper, for the cover of greeting card. I have already folded this kind of paper, so you have to fold it in half this way. The whole paper you fold it in half, make a border, and this becomes your greeting card which we will be making use of. Now take this paper and we have to make perfect square of this paper, so fold this way and cut it across. So this is ready. Similarly, make perfect square for this also, cut it across. So I am ready with these two pieces which are in square inside. Now we have to make 4 pieces of each piece, so in total 8 pieces. So let's make 4 pieces. Just fold this paper and fold it again, and we have to simply cut these pieces into 4 pieces. Similarly, we have to fold this paper and fold it again, and we will cut across here and across here to make it 4 papers. So I am now ready with 4 plus 4, total 8 pieces. But for making our pop-up card we will require only 7 pieces. So I will remove one piece, and from these 7 pieces we will make our pop-up card flower. Now how to make pop-up card flower? Start with one sheet of paper and I will show you how to fold these paper. So for remaining papers we will just keep it aside. So just make a fold to opposite side, make proper fold edge to edge. Just turn, don't turn around paper, just turn the paper and make another fold. Remember, this fold should be firm, so make firm another fold. It's very important that you match the corners correctly. So you made this second fold. Now again make another fold from this close end side to open end side, this way. Make it firm. Now this is open end side, this is close end tip side. Okay, now take a marker pen and just mark a round shape, a nice round shape, firm and nice round shape. Then we have to cut this using your scissor. Cut it nice round shape with reference to your markings. That's it. Just don't open it, just keep it, because we will need to make all 7 pieces like this. So let's make another piece. So I'm taking another piece, I'm folding it this way, firm fold, turning around, then again folding in this direction while I'm making this as firm. Let's turn it very sharp. Let's keep it very sharp. And again this folding this particular close corner to this open corner. Make these folds very perfect, so that you will get the nice symmetry in your flower. Right? Then we have to use this end Now to cut this piece into same shape, you just place our previous piece here and use marker pen to mark this shape. And then cut the second piece. So likewise, you have to do it for all these 7 pieces. So make all these 7 pieces into similar shape so that we can go ahead for making our flower. So I have created these 7 pieces of equal shape now. Now let's open these shapes and see what we have to do. So let's open this first one what we have made and open up again. So this has converted into a beautiful flower like shape. Similarly, if I open this one, so all are converted into beautiful flower like shape. Now what is our next step? Our next step is take a scissor and you can see the demarcation of these petals. So we have to cut only one petal out of it. So just cut it like this and this way. So you have to keep flower like this. So just take another flower, same way, cut this particular petal. Likewise, just cut for all 7. So I am ready with all 7. So we have created all 7 and cut one petal from each. Now it's time to do some artwork. We will give some shading for this flower so it will look nice. So let's do it for one flower, then you will understand. So I'm taking this red sketch pen. What we have to do is, we don't have to color one. So we have to leave one petal and for remaining, start doing like this. So this is the center portion. I'm just making few lines on it. And leave one. Don't shade anything in the last one. Now let's mark the borders strongly. And also these borders. Similarly this way. And this last one. So just leave one petal as it is because we will be using this to paste the flower. So for remaining all things, you have to shade like this so that your flower will look beautiful. So let's make it for all. So I'm ready with my paintings and all flowers are painted nicely. Now to create it into a proper flower shape, we have to stick this surface with this surface like this. Okay, so let's put some Fevistick or glue here. So I'm making use of Fevistick here because it's simple to apply. Since your paper is of thin quality, it will get pasted immediately. So just put that where we have not painted and just align these 2 petals so that this forms a beautiful flower like shape. Likewise, we have to do it for remaining all. Just apply some glue from Fevistick or any stick and just paste it like this. So it turns out to be a nice shape of flower. So let's do it for rest all. So now I'm ready with all these 7 flowers. Stick well to a beautiful shape. Each flower is looking very nice. Now there is some time. Now we have to make some folds and make these flowers firm so that in pop-up card they will open up nicely. So just take this flower and fold it firmly like this, then change its orientation and fold it again like this. So make these folds firm change again one more orientation, fold it like this. So you have to make these folds very firm so that it opens up perfectly in any orientation. In any orientation it should open perfectly. So make all these folds tight and firm for each flower. You have to make it for each flower. Just ensure that all folds are firm and tight and your flower is opening nicely. So likewise do it for each and every flower. Just confirm fold number 1, this is secured. Then at next level also it is tight and firm. So ensure this for all folds and for all flowers. So I have ensured that all flowers are with proper and tight folds. Now it's time for us to assemble all these flowers so that we can make our pop-up greeting card. Now just this step is very important. Just see how carefully we have to assemble these flowers so that they will pop up properly in our greeting card. So make all the flowers in this shape, fold it in this shape. Now we'll take this one as first one, keep it horizontal. So I will show it to you. I will keep it all these flowers aside. Take this one. You have to put good quality of glue and put it at these two corners. Just remember, you have to put the glues at these two corners, a small amount of glue sufficient to stick the edges. You need not have to put it for the entire petal, but only at the corners. Just put it, then bring this part. You have to align this part here this way and just press it so that its corner portion will get glued, stick together. Same way, take another piece this side way and just ensure to put it across to this edge, match to this edge, and allow it to stick firmly. Now we have to take glue again and we have to put it in these 3 places, 1, 2 and 3. So let's put some glue here as well as here and here. Now take another piece and just put that piece like this so that it will stick to all 3 pieces. Press it hard so the edges will get stick together. Now we have to bring 2 more pieces, one on this side and one on opposite side. So what we will be doing, we are now putting glue on this piece here as well as this piece here and then sticking this piece. Let's do that. Just put some glue here and some glue here. And just align this piece over here and let it get stick. Same way, let's put some glue here and here so that these 2 pieces to be aligned properly. Now we have to again go with last piece that will be horizontal on top above. So again to this piece and this particular piece. So let's glue it together. Place some glue here, then some glue here and here, and again put this piece in place and press it hard and firm. That's it. Now our assembly is ready. So we have to test our assembly whether it is proper or not. Let the glue gets dried up so that it gets stuck very firmly. We have to keep this open portion on left hand side and just try to open this opposite side petal and petal at the bottom. It should open up like this. Yes, this is opening as per our expectations. This should open up firmly like this. It should come out, and this will open up firmly like this. Right. So our assembly is correct. Now we are ready to put it in our grating. So to put it in our grating, we'll have to stick glue at this bottom as well as on this top. Now I will show you how to stick in grating. So we have made this particular grating card. Just open it up. You have to place this particular assembly here so that this triangle comes at the center. These edges will come near to the edge of our grating card, center edge of our grating card. So we have to stick it here. So just turn it around, and to this center petal at the corner just put some glue. Align it here at the center and put it firmly so that it will get stuck. Press it hard. Now just place some glue here and push this cover up so that it gets stuck to your greetings cover from inside. Press hard. Just keep it for some time. Once it is done, you have to open up and our wonderful greeting is created now. So this is our pop-up card greeting. You can decorate it, you can write the message over it, and when you present it, it will open up with nice set of flower. So this is how final greeting can look like. You can decorate this greeting like this on its cover page with small strip, and from inside you can put these marks and you can write something. I'm definitely knowing that you must have liked this particular video. So share it with your friends, click on like button and subscribe to my channel, and ask your friends to subscribe also. See you soon in next video. Bye.